what's there left to say? Throw your stones the river, like me it drifts away. I would watch you stare.
Hi guys, so I just thought I'd show you guys how I do my eyebrows to achieve a more natural, fuller eyebrow without having that, fake drawn on eyebrow look. This is just how I do my eyebrows. You can take it, leave it, whatever. I start off by outlining the natural shape of my eyebrows.
Oh, but there's no one there. We can figure this out.
What you'll see me do now is use that spoolie to blend in the pencil right into my eyebrows and just get that full effect.
Put your feet down.
And on this side, all you'll see me do is take the pomade as well as the angled brush and use that to just fill in the outline of my eyebrows with short brush strokes.
A time when we never let go, never let go. Ooh, we never let go. We can figure this out. Put your feet down.
Now, I wouldn't normally do this, but when I'm going to wear eyeshadow, I use a lighter concealer to clean up the under of my eyebrows. And I know right now it looks a bit crazy, but after using setting powder that matches my skin tone, this crazy look becomes okay. And then you'll see me using both a concealer brush and a foundation brush to just blend in that concealer into my skin properly.